Can you do it? I'll help on this side. So as you probably have noticed, baby number 3 is on the way, and this Sunday we're actually going to be throwing a gender reveal party for the family. So I'm gonna make the gender reveal cake, and if you stay all the way till the end, you will get to see what we're having. Hi, welcome to Cake Mom. I'm Abby. And on this channel, I share with you guys some of my favorite tips and techniques, as well as recipes to help you with your home baking projects. If you're new or haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you can see when I post my next video. So I went ahead and baked a white cake that I flavored almond because I love almond. You can also do this with a chocolate cake. I just love how soft a white cake is. So I've got 3 layers of white cake, some Italian meringue buttercream, some sprinkles of the gender color, which I'm not going to share that with you because that's a surprise. I have a little ring cutter, this is important, some offset spatulas, some smoothers. Let's go. So I actually want this cake to be almond and cherry flavored, so I have some maraschino cherry simple syrup in this bottle, and I'm going to douse my cakes with that because I love cherry. So because I'm going to fill this cake with sprinkles as the surprise gender reveal, I'm going to make kind of like a cylinder all the way up and down the cake to fill with the sprinkles. So I'm going to cut a hole in each layer with my little round cookie cutter. Okay, so now it's time to make my sprinkles mix, which I'm not going to show you what it is, but I did want to give you some ideas of sprinkles you can shop for. So these containers have a bunch of different colors. Honestly, they're very cute. They have little balls and they're kind of mixed already. You can shop for a complete mix on one of the online sites like Amazon or some of the baking sites. They're a little more expensive, but they're absolutely beautiful. Sweet Polita makes some awesome sprinkle mixes, so you can go check them out. The bigger balls make a great filler, so any of the pearls in the color you want, or white, is a great mixer. So we've got little pearls, little white pearls, blue, pink, all the different colors in here. I wouldn't go with sugar because it just doesn't take up a whole lot of room and it kind of dissolves if it gets wet at all. So I wouldn't shop for the little sugary sprinkles. Those aren't gonna work so well. Anyway, I'm gonna fill this cake up with sprinkles. I'm not gonna show you the color. You'll see it at the end if you stick all the way through. And then I'm gonna put a cap of cake on the top and frost over it, and then we'll get to decorating. Okay, so now I'm going to cover this cake in just a white layer, and then my plan is to kind of do like a little artsy watercolory look by smearing some different pink and blue in different random places on the outside, and then do a nice little rosette finish on the top, and possibly a little fondant elephant right in the middle. Okay, so here's the finished cake, and in 2 days, these guys are going to cut it because they don't know yet if they're gonna have a baby brother or a baby sister.
Baby sister.
You think baby sister? What do you think?
I think brother.
You think a baby brother? I guess we'll have to find out.
We got to find out.
So, see you in 2 days.
Bye-bye, cake. Bye-bye, date.
Okay, so we're live on Facebook. We're about to reveal the gender of our 3rd baby, and we have almost the entire family here. So check it out. Here's our crowd. see everyone's wearing their colored tags, what they're voting for, right? We got boy, girl, boy, girl, 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 boy.
Are you ready, Benny?
All right, here we go. Let's go. You did it? I'll help on this side.